Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to restart your Mac with the keyboard. Sometimes your Mac might become unresponsive, or you simply prefer using keyboard shortcuts for efficiency. Knowing these combinations can save you time and help you manage your computer effectively. We will cover several methods, from a gentle restart to a forced shutdown, ensuring you have all the tools you need. If your Mac is completely frozen and unresponsive, a force restart is often necessary. Pressing Control, Command, and the power button simultaneously will force your Mac to restart without prompting you to save any open work. For a complete power off, simply press and hold the power button for approximately 10 seconds until the screen goes dark. This is a last resort to avoid data loss. Beyond a simple restart, your Mac offers special startup modes for troubleshooting. To enter safe mode, hold the Shift key immediately after powering on your Mac. This helps diagnose software issues. For system recovery or reinstallation, use Command and R to access recovery mode. If you experience display or sound problems, resetting NVRAM or PRAM with Option, Command, P, and R can often resolve them. For even greater control, you can create your own custom keyboard shortcuts. Open System Settings, go to Keyboard, and then select the Shortcuts tab. Here, you can add a new app shortcut for Restart and assign a unique key combination that suits your workflow. This allows for a personalized and efficient way to manage your Mac's power options, making your daily tasks smoother and faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.